Welcome. This newest video that I'm going to show you is what we'll be working on this week. We're going to be working on adding 2- and 3-digit numbers, but we're going to be focusing mostly on the word problems. And finally, we'll be able to use the algorithm that you and I were taught in school many moons ago. And so I just want to go through one of these problems where we're adding to show you kind of how we're teaching it in class, so you can work with your kids at home. So I'm going to use this problem as an example. I'm going to read through it. An art school in Texas taught 378 students in January. In February, 489 more students were taught. How many students were taught by the art school in January and February? So the first thing I want to do is underline the question and really read through that question again. How many students were taught by the art school in January and February? So when I'm thinking about this, it's saying January and February, so I'm probably going to be adding two numbers together here. So I'm going to go back through my problem and find out how many in January, how many in February. So it says taught 378 students in January, so 370, I'm going to circle that number. And then in February, 489. So I'm going to add these two numbers together. So when the students add their numbers together, it's really important that they take their time and line up their numbers. One of the biggest problems we see is they don't line up their numbers correctly and they put their numbers in the wrong place, and then their addition comes out all wrong. So, all right, let's start with the ones. So 9 plus 8 is 17, 1 10 and 17. And 7 ones. Then we add the tens. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 1 more is 16. And then 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. So the answer is 867 students, which would be B. All right, so that's basically what we're working on this week. And when we get into subtraction, we'll make another video.